Hello and welcome to this video guide by Wellforce. Today we will be covering some basic steps on how to configure the phishing attack simulator. You will need to be signed into an admin account with the appropriate permissions. As of November 15th, 2019, the attack simulator still resides in the old Security and Compliance Center. Depending on when you watch this, you may find that this has changed and it has been moved to the new Security Center. If for some reason protection.office.com does not bring you to the page you need, you can also go to the hunting section of the Microsoft 365 Security Center. From here, you can click on Start Hunting under Email and Data, and from here under Threat Management, you can go to the Attack Simulator section. You'll notice that on the Attack Simulator page there are 4 separate types of attacks. For this video, we will simply be covering the Spear Phishing Credentials Harvest attack type. So from here, go ahead and click on Launch Attack, and you'll arrive at the Setup section for the attack. We do recommend using a template for the attacks and modifying those. Do note, however, if you try to type in a name and then click on Use Template, the template you choose will update the name and overwrite what you had written. Once you've chosen the template, feel free to modify the name to more accurately represent what you're trying to do. We're going to leave this as default and hit Next. From here, you have the choice on how to select the recipients for the attack. You could choose the import feature, which allows you to import a CSV, or you could use the address book and simply search for the user you are looking for. Once you are satisfied with your list of recipients, go ahead and hit Next. On this screen, you'll have the ability to modify your email details. We do recommend setting up a from name and from email that are a little bit more convincing. Choosing somebody that is internal and setting up a potential fake email address inside your system is always a great choice. You will also be able to modify your logon server URL. However, for this demo, we are going to be leaving it as privacy for all, as that fits the template. The custom landing page URL section is nice. It allows you to set up a custom website that it then redirects the user to. On this website, you could have things like training or security awareness that will inform the user of what they've done. We're going to leave everything default here and simply hit Next. On this screen, you could then modify the body text of the email. We are simply going to click Next and proceed to the finish. Once we're sure we are ready to go, we'll click Finish. If you had a large list of users, you may notice that the attack is still ongoing. If it is still ongoing, there will be an extra button here underneath Launch Attack that says Terminate Attack. If you wish to cancel that attack in the process, you can. However, we simply recommend letting it finish. From here, you have 2 options. You could either click View Report to see the last run attack and the details underneath it, or you could click on Attack Details and see any of the attacks that you have attempted to do in the past. When you click into them, it will bring you back to the report details.